Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Maths with Miss S. This is part 3 on adding and subtracting fractions that contain variables. Now, bear with me, this time we're going to put the variables in the denominators, okay? So this time it's important to also put brackets around your denominators. Again, whenever you have an addition or a subtraction in a denominator or a numerator, we need to see this as a unit and we need those brackets, okay? So the common denominator of these two now is the product of x minus 2 and x plus 1, because those are the two denominators. Later on we're also going to talk about factorizing quadratics into factors to not have huge denominators. I'll show you all that in due time. So our new denominator is going to be x minus 2 in brackets times x plus 1 in brackets. So if we look at the first fraction, it has the denominator x minus 2 at the start, and all that's missing to get to x minus 2 times x plus 1 is that x plus 1. So this is what we're going to be multiplying by. The second fraction is missing the x minus 2 part, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by x minus 2. Now we need to multiply our numerators and denominators, so there's several multiplications of brackets going on there. So on top we have 3x plus 3 times 1, and in the bottom we can split that out or separate it into x times the second bracket minus 2 times the second bracket, and on the right side, the second fraction there, on top we have 4 times x minus 2, which is 4x plus 4 times minus 2, and in the bottom again I'm going to spread it out to make it a little bit easier there. I hope it makes sense the way I wrote it down. So in total we get as our new denominator x squared plus x minus 2x minus 2. On the other side, in the second fraction, it looks a little bit different, but it's basically the same thing, just flipped around. So once we add our like terms together, we see that our new common denominator is x squared minus x minus 2. Now, once we have that done, again, it's so important to have brackets around your numerators. I can't stress that enough, because we have a minus there, which means that now once we write it on one fraction line and we want to get rid of those brackets, we need to change the signs of whatever is in that second bracket. Okay, so my minus 8 changes into plus 8, and that plus 4x changes into minus 4x. And the last step is finding your like terms. So we have 3x minus 4x, and then the 3 and the 8 that would go together. That gives us the final answer, minus x plus 11 over our common denominator.